Hello guys, welcome to our next video. In today's video, I will teach you about the path selection and direct selection tool. So let's go. To do path selection and direct selection tool, first we have to do a path. So for this, I'm selecting pen tool. Now by pen tool, we will create a path like this. And in selection tool, there are two selection available as you can see, path selection and direct selection tool. And the shortcut key also, the path selection tool and direct selection tool, both for both the shortcut key is A. So first we will get to know about the path selection tool. So select the path selection tool. With path selection tool, we can move any path like this. In other words, to move the path, we use the path selection tool. As you can see, the path is moving. We can't move the path with the move tool because the move tool will move the object of active layers. As you can see, one layer is selected, so the layer is also moving. So you cannot move the path with move tool. For this, to move the path, you have to select the path selection tool, then you can move the path like this. So this is all the path selection tool does. Now let's come to the direct selection tool. So what is the purpose of direct selection tool? With direct selection tool, we cannot move the whole path. As you can see, we cannot move it, as you can see this, but we can move the anchor points like this, like this. You can move one anchor point and move like this. We can also select and move the two anchor points at a time. First, for this you have to select two anchor points and then you can move the two anchor points at a time. We can move the all anchor points one by one. You can do also double click on the on anchor point, and then you can move the four anchor point one at a time like this. And we can also move selected anchor point like this, as you can see here. And to move the whole path, we will have to select all the anchor points like this. You have to select the whole anchor points, and then you can move the whole path. Otherwise, we cannot move the whole path at a time. And you can put a color on this. For this, you have to do a deselection. To do deselection, you have to click Alt plus Enter, and then take a layer, and then you can do paint bucket tool, the G, and then you can put color like this. If you want to create like other colors, then select the color, make sure the color is on the background, and then press, and you can press Ctrl plus delete to change the color, and to remove the deselection press Ctrl plus D. So this is how we can also put the color on this path. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you have understood about the path and direct selection tool. So I think that this video will help you to understand about this path and direct selection tool. And yeah, this is all for today, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.